Hello, hi, it's your girl minspie. Look at me. Look at me. Look at us. I've just gone to buy another pair of Adidas trainers. Who'd have thought? This is going to be an unbox of Adidas ZX 10,000Cs. That was a mouthful. Listen, I'm changing, I'm learning, and I'm trying to do more with my sneaker collection. I'm trying to expand it, you know, spread its branches, you know what I mean? So this is definitely exciting for me because it's just like, oh, okay, you know, Adidas, you got it like that? Okay. Straight into the box, the design. This is cute. What we have is a diagram of the shoe on the front. I think that's really striking. You've got the 3 stripes across. Doesn't steer away from branding. It looks good. The side just in this plain yellowy lime color, and we have the Adidas Originals logo on top. The side is where the 3 stripes run over once again, so what we see in the top is carried onto the side. Same for the other side, and we have the size chart. Now, yes, like, it's not your typical blue Adidas box, but in my defense, that's all I know. The material is not the same as the Adidas box. Is more of a textured feel rather than the Adidas Originals blue box is more like a glossy feel. It's got a nice little like click open. It flows quite nice, works quite well. It's a box. We've got the Adidas logo and the name of the shoe just like stamped all over the printed paper, like uniformly basically. Wow, these shoes are actually gorgeous. A lot of people will be thinking that it says ZX in the name. Listen, yeah, it's not your typical ZX, okay? It's not ZX Fluxes. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. You know, I believe this is practically a hybrid, you know? I talk about this with Nike all the time. Like, they'll take a Vapor Max sole and put it on a whole different shoe, and then that's a hybrid shoe. So technically this could just be a hybrid of ZX and, you know, a couple shoes because it's a lot. But the thing is, when I look at it, I still see ZX Fluxes. I still see it, but it is ZX Flux, but make it fashion, if that makes sense. And this is the shoe. Look at that. I'm a big fan of these shoes because of the different textures. Like, listen, we're gonna get into it, but yo, there's a lot, like a lot going on, and I'm here for it. Why not? They can do what they want. I thought this color was quite unique. The shoe does come under the color yellow. To me, yeah, it can pass as yellow, but I would go for more lime. We've got this plastic loop through that can actually lace your shoes as well as be lifted away from the actual shoe completely. And attached to this we have 3 stripes. The 3 stripes though are not actually printed on the shoe. It's like they are a fabric that has been attached to the plastic loop through and then attached to another part of the shoe. Where we find the rest of the shoe being attached, it's got this black mesh. It's like a black mesh fabric similar to the ones that you find inside raincoats and rain jackets, and it's in black. Like, funny enough, I wasn't expecting black. When I first saw these, I thought that, you know, maybe it would be grey or maybe it would be green, but I guess the black is to kind of tone down the whole shoe. But personally, I wouldn't have minded like a whole shoe of lime. I personally would not have minded because not every shoe needs a black or a white or whatever. Like, you can actually do a full color and it can bang, it can look really good. So yeah, not really a fan of that. That's a bit of a throw off, but it's cool, it's whatever is there. Underneath the stripes we do have this nylon lime green color going on. It looks good, it works well with the rest of the materials on the shoe as well. Behind the loop place and in the surrounding area we do have this lovely suede. The suede is more on a beige but a dirty brown type of side. It's weird, but it works, you know? It looks like it's been left in the stockroom for too long and someone's just like said, oh crap, I forgot about this shoe, let's put it out now. That's kind of what it looks like, you know? It looks a bit dirty, it looks a bit like scruffy, but I dig it, you know? There's nothing wrong with it. It's just weird. The front of the shoe and anywhere where you find these little tiny grey strips are reflective, including the heel. We have a tongue that looks quite short, quite stubby, it looks a bit hidden. The tongue does have this grey and lime label. The grey on there is not reflective though. The rest of the greys are on the shoe, but this one is not. Sorry, just thought I'd let you know. It's not frigid, it's very soft. It's so lightweight too. Oh, the sole is giving me different shades. It's giving me green, it's giving me yellow, it's giving me beige, like it's giving me a lot on the bottom. The funny thing is, it sounds like there's so many different colors on this shoe, but there's not actually that many. Like, in all honesty, the colors are just being repeated, just in different materials. The sole, I've never actually, you know, known any other sole except for what Superstar soles, so this is new to me. I don't know much about it. Maybe you guys can fill me in. It says something about a soft sole here. I assume maybe it's, I don't even know, like to make the bounce in your heel bouncier. I don't know, but that made some type of sense. Listen, the comfortability on this, top tier, 10 out of 10. Like, as in, Adidas know how to make comfortable shoes. I can't even lie to you, they know how to do that. In the sole, there's like this dip into your toes, so the insole dips a little bit, so then your toes are just resting in this dip. It sounds mad, but it feels good. I know I can walk in these all day. I know, I just know it. They look so good on feet. I tell you, listen, yeah. I've never vouched for a shoe like this, but try and understand, if you lot are thinking about a new shoe or whatever, please try this one. Just try it out, please. I'm begging you, because you can wear these loose, you can wear these tight, and it still gives this ugh vibe. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the type of shoe that you actually have to control yourself, because you'll want it in a lot of colours, in all honesty, and I'm not even gassing. The shoe works. I am a UK 5 naturally, but I did get these in 6 because this colourway was only available in men's. So, you know, I had to sacrifice, you know what I mean? If you see your size for the colourway that you would like, just get your size. It fits true to size, and there's not a lot of padding around it too, so it's like your foot can be comfortable inside without kind of suffocating, because when shoes do too much padding, then it starts to feel like blood is being cut off at your foot, like even though you got your size, like bro. I thought, you know, let's switch it up for once. Like, it's not everyday sneaker releases or sneaker drops or expensive shoes that I should put on this channel. Let's give something that's still there, it's still around, you know, like let's give some variety, you know, from time to time. They were selling in Offspring, and I know they were on sale, so I know that they're definitely still around. They're definitely affordable. You know, you're not breaking the bank for this shoe right here, not at all, not at all. These retail for £100 flat, but there's always some discount somewhere. Please just go and find yourself some discount, I'm telling you, because these shoes are something I believe should be in your collection. You know, it will feel a bit weird walking in at first trying to understand, because the sole is completely different from any insole I've ever had. Like, it's like they actually cared for this insole, you know. It's not just no flat thing, boom, there's a shoe. Like, it's like the Himalayan mountains. People will be coming to me saying, oh, I'm thinking of some trainers, what trainers should I buy? Oh my gosh, come to my channel, love. I'll just link my channel and be like, oh dear, watch anything you want, and then come back to me on my opinion if you like. If you like. If you don't like, it's okay. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I'm sorry that I didn't get to style it or anything. I don't think I have anything that I'm proud enough to display as outfit options for this shoe, if I'm going to be completely honest. I don't want to come for me. I don't want to say, oh, it's just some basic dressing. It's not even a special one. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. All of them things there. And I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay sweet and stay safe.